Hi, I'm Brett, the Business Development Manager for Stanbury Electrical Engineering. We're a manufacturer based in New Zealand. We manufacture industrial battery chargers for forklifts and trucks and motor power equipment. Any equipment really, including EV chargers, is a new product that we're working through developing at the moment. Our chargers are designed for charging anything, whether it be lead acid or lithium ion or really any battery chemistry you can think of, to support any kind of transport or um, motor power needs.
And who would your ideal clients be?
Our ideal clients are anyone from a warehouse or a logistics provider, transport, ground handling equipment at airports, really any equipment that requires charging in general. If you have it and it moves and it uses the battery, we can charge it.
And what are your thoughts about the CeMAT event so far?
CeMAT's a really cool event. Glad we came along to CeMAT. It's been well worth it. It's a good opportunity to meet new customers, and just engage with the industry as a whole, so we can understand what we can do better in the future to support the industry and our customers, and where the industry is going, for us to better understand where the industry is going as a whole.